invited to participate in Art and Feminism in this exhibition at Spazju Kreattiv with a painting behind me called Sound Vibration. It's about what we say and what we think affects the world around us. The painting is a diptych. It's divided in two sections. The top represents the conscious knowledge and state, and the bottom part represents the thought and ideas that maybe are not formulated so well. I feel that this is a very important aspect in feminism because to create an effect around us, the journey starts from within.